Debate education is inclusive. By inclusive, I mean anybody and everybody can participate, no matter their age, gender, religion or disability. Anyone can participate and anyone can succeed.
Through debate, youngsters can share their concerns about society. It brought together local police and youngsters to improve their relationship. It got off on a not so easy basis, but eventually they started to understand each other, which is a step further to future improvement.
Debate education is inclusive because it gives the possibility to change every aspect, to improve every aspect of your life, even at school or at work. Authorities are respected but still can't make decisions above people's head but with them instead.
Debate education is inclusive because any age group, in effect from as early as 10 years old, is able to develop debating skills.
Through debate education, the children who are working at Chimene were noticed and their voices were heard by the public authority. After the negotiations about the children's council, the mayor was persuaded and the contract was signed.
Every day we engage in debates, be it in public, at school or work, or between families and friends. For these to be successful on the basis of mutual understanding, debate education is needed. Debate, don't hate.